For making delicious tasty spring roll, you will require. For preparing the dough, keeping in mind health, I have taken 1:1 ratio maida and atta. Just add water and make a soft dough. For 10 minutes, keep it for rest. Till that time, let's prepare the stuffing. Put 1 teaspoon of salt in cabbage and carrot for 5 minutes so that excess water is not there. Squeeze out the remaining water and put all the veggies into the bowl. Mix them well by adding soya sauce, tomato chili sauce, ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, kitchen king masala and salt. Then on a rolling board, make thin round chapati as shown and fill the stuffing carefully and roll it in the shape of roll and seal the end so that stuffing doesn't go out of it while frying. Heat oil in a pan or a wok on a medium flame. When the oil is hot, put the rolls, let them fry till one side is golden brown, then flip it to the other side. Transfer them to a kitchen tissue. Serve veg spring rolls with ketchup, red chili sauce, or Szechuan sauce. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.